So, for today's video guys, uwi na ako. Joke lang, hindi pala ako uwi. Aalis pala ako guys. Finish na yung duty ko and dadaan muna ako sa day-to-day since may nangyari. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa day-to-day. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung day-to-day dito. Doon lahat kompleto yung gamit. Merong mga basta mga kung ano-ano. Mga makeup, damit, sapatos, bag. In low price. Low price lang. So, mag-base muna ako. Then, let's go to day-to-day. So now guys, I just changed my clothes and I am already here now outside. So we are going where? Of course we are going today since I told you guys that today morning my brush makeup was gone. Like, I don't know, it disappeared suddenly. And then today bibili ako ng bago kong brush since I need that for my everyday makeup routine. So ayan guys, kita nyo, para lang siyang dessert. So guys, malapit na tayo sa day-to-day. And okay, samahan nyo ako, tingnan yung mga bagay doon. Papakita ko lahat sa inyo yung mga things doon. So yun, let's go. So guys, we're here na sa day-to-day at iniwan ko muna yung gamit ko dun sa guard since bawal siya ipasok. And then, there you go. When you enter inside, you'll see this all makeups and accessories. So guys, now I'm done rounding and nabili ko na din kung ano yung gusto kong bilhin. Yan, bumili muna akong pagkain sa labas since nagugutom na ako. And now, we're going home. So this is the way. Yan, we are near Lulu and MOE only. So yun, KFC, kita nyo? Let's go home! So we are near to my home now. And as you can see, there's a lot of people outside. And still, there's a lot of water in the road. So, yan pala mga truck na yan, guys, is ayan yung ginagamit nila para sipsipin yung mga tubig sa daanan. Tapos, yung mga tubo na yan, mga nakikita nyo yung mga haba na yan, is nakakonect yan sa aming parking since there's a lot of water there. Nung umula, naipon dun lahat. Since pababa kasi yan, guys. So, yun, napunta dun lahat ng tubig. Tapos ayan, kita nyo yung mga bricks, sobrang sira-sira, tanggal-tanggal. Kasi, yung pinagpapatungan yan is buhangin lang, guys. So, kita nyo yung kanina yung kulay pula is night market yun. So, dadalhin ko kayo dun, guys. Yung security guard namin, nag-peace pa. So, ayan, malapit na tayo at ito na naman ang walang katapos ng hagdanan papunta sa night floor. So, let's go. Guys, nakauwi na ako at ayan, papakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung binili ko sa day to day. So, ayan, makeup brush. Kasi, di ba, nawala yung makeup brush ko. And then, tong isa naman ay, yan, liquid eyeliner. So, yung bilog na nagtataka ko, ano ba yan sa design? Pero, nung tinignan ko siya, binuksan ko muna syempre bago ko siya binili. Tapos, chinek ko kung ano ba yung circle na yan. So, that circle one is, ayan, mirror pala siya, guys. It's a mirror. So, ayun lang, cute-cute. Yan na yung binili ko, guys. Yan, dalawa. So, thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to like and comment. Then, subscribe. Bye-bye.